One of our goals here at Wichita State is to create public spaces that promote health, happiness, and well-being. From dining to health and wellness to arts and entertainment, our campus has a lot to offer the community.
The Ratigan Student Center is the social hub of the campus. It houses your favorite comfort food restaurants such as Freddy's, Chick-fil-A, Panda Express, and Pizza Hut. And if you need some new Shocker gear, it conveniently houses the official store of WSU, the Shocker Store.
In the basement, friends like to come together to go to Shocker Sports Grill and Lanes, where you can bowl, play pool, game in the Command Zone gaming area, and grab a bite at a full grill.
It also houses Lords and Ladies Salon, a hidden gem for all your haircut, perm, and coloring needs.
And if you need to get something engraved, the RC basement has a place for that. Need something printed? Head over to Shocker Printing Solutions located in Morrison Hall.
WSU offers the public a variety of dining settings. One of favorites is the Food Truck Plaza, where every day of the week, a variety of food trucks serve lunch.
Not to mention, our brand new Shocker Pods are located nearby and make a perfect lunch spot. Designed by Brady Hatter, there will be 3 pods: the Love Box Pod, the Earth Pod, and the Shocker Pod.
The public is also invited to dine where Shockers dine, Shocker Hall. The all-you-can-eat dining hall includes pizza, international fare, grilled food, desserts, and more.
If you need a caffeine boost, we've got you covered. There are 2 Starbucks locations, one in the RC and the other at Brayburn Square. There's also a ground house located conveniently at Shocker Hall. After you grab some Joe, make it a date and take a trip to the Orridge Museum of Art. Visitors can explore 20th and 21st century art exhibitions featuring emerging and established artists, works from our permanent collection, and traveling exhibitions. Check out the Orridge's 76 sculptures spread across the 330-acre campus. You can take the tour through WSU Bike Share ICT, a bike transportation system to get around campus in style. Or take the Shocker Pet Pathway with your 4-legged friend. Treats and pet baggies are available along the path for your little loved one. Find the sculpture tour map and the Shocker Pet Pathway map by visiting wichita.edu.
It may bring you to the YMCA, which will open up in 2020 and include a building full of workout options, student health and wellness services, a drop-in daycare center, and a Wesley Urgent Care Center. Or it may bring you to Brayburn Square, a new area for shopping, dining, and hanging out. Home to a second Shocker store, Fuzzy's Taco Shop, Ameritrust, and a full-service Starbucks.
Wichita State University is working to inspire the community, explore the many offerings of WSU's innovative campus.